Have you ever wondered if the stunning images generated by ChatGPT are truly copyright-free? Or if using them might land you in trouble? Let's break it down. With the rise of AI-generated content, especially images, many creators, marketers, and designers are turning to tools like ChatGPT to produce visuals for their projects. But the big question is, can you actually use those images commercially without worrying about copyright? The good news is that, as of now, OpenAI states that users have the right to use the images they generate, even for commercial purposes. That means you can use them in your YouTube thumbnails, blog posts, product designs, and more. But wait, here's something to think about. Just because it's generated by AI doesn't mean it's 100% risk-free. For example, what if the image closely resembles an existing copyrighted photo? Or what if the prompt you used was based on a famous brand or a known personality? These edge cases can still raise legal or ethical concerns. So, would you take that chance with your business or personal brand? It's always smart to double-check your prompts and avoid anything too specific that could copy real-world content. By the way, have you ever used AI images for your projects? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments. And if you're still unsure, some creators play it safe by editing or modifying AI-generated images before using them publicly. That way, you reduce the risk and still get creative freedom. So next time you're creating with AI, think twice about what you're generating and how you're using it. If this cleared things up for you, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more quick and clear AI content. See you in the next one.